Lesson 5. Sounds of double L and double S. Double L. Read aloud. All, ball, call, fall, hall, tall, gall, wall. Kill, pill, bill, mill, till, hill, fill, jill. Bell, sell, hell, fell, tell, sell, well, yell. Doll, roll, pole, pull, full, bull. Smell, spell, shell. Double S. Read aloud. Kiss, miss, hiss. Boss, toss, moss. Less, mess, bless. Ass, pass, mass. Class, glass, grass, brass. Dress, chess, press.